Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the game Legend of Mushroom. So this works on iOS and Android, super cool. So as you can see, I'm broke in the game, but I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version, okay? So as you can see, I'm broke, look at that. But in the mod menu, I can actually enable unlimited gems, so I'm going to go ahead and do that just to show you guys that this actually works. So let me just enable them right here. And let's see if it goes up. So currently there's no change, but it might start increasing. So let's see what happens to our game. And yeah, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the Legend of Mushroom for iPhone and Android. So it's super cool. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first thing we need to do to get this is we need to go onto the settings app and we need to go to general and we need to make sure the background app refresh is turned on. Okay, so now we're going to go to our browser and we're going to go onto this website called tweakmod.com, and in the search bar we're going to type Legend of Mushroom, I believe, and press install, and then the mod will start downloading. So before it downloads, there is going to be verification, so this is the last step. So what it is you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for this to load. Alright, so here we go guys. As you can see, it is loading right now. So we're just going to wait for this to finish. And then we just got to do the human verification. So as you can see, missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. You do not have to download all of them, just 2. So as you can see, TikTok says download for 30 seconds. So I could do that one. Or I could do like the Lumo VPN. So just do a couple of them as a video if you're confused. That's how to get the Legend of Mushroom hack for your device. Dang.